Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got in my June Boxycharm box. It's been so long since I did a video on Boxycharm, and that is because we moved from Virginia to Texas. I actually didn't even think about updating my address with Boxycharm, and last month's box ended up being sent to my old apartment, so I never got it. So anyways, I ended up contacting them and giving them my address, and thankfully they were kind enough to send me another Boxycharm box. So let's talk about the June Boxycharm box. I already opened it, and normally I like to do an unboxing and just show you guys what I got as I'm opening it. However, the other day I was at my mom's and I wanted to open it with my niece to show her what I got. So like me and her opened it together. So this won't be an unboxing, but I am gonna show you what I got, and I'm also going to use some of the products on camera. So I literally just woke up like 30 minutes ago. I had my coffee, I brushed my teeth, and I washed my face really quick. And I'm going to be doing some light makeup right now. So the first thing we got in the June Boxycharm box is this Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy. It's a whipped polishing cleansing cream with truffle extract. So it is a face wash and it is a whipped cleansing cream. So I used it for the first time the other day. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't a big fan of the smell, but that's okay. I don't think it really took off my makeup really good, even though it says ideal to gently remove makeup. Maybe I had a lot of makeup on that day, but I felt like the more I, rubbed the stuff on my face, I was like, why does it look like I still have makeup on? So I had to really get in there with this, and it got the job done, but at first I was just kind of like, this isn't doing an instant makeup removal. Maybe it's not meant to, I don't know. But anyway, so this face wash here retails for $25. It says it gently and effectively removes all makeup and impurities while hydrating dry and sensitive skin. It was hydrating, so it did make me feel hydrated after. It's formulated with pure black truffle extract and sweet almond oil. You guys know I love sweet almond oil, so when I seen that ingredient in here, I thought that was awesome. So yeah, it's supposed to help maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier, so that is one of the items we got in this month's box. Next up, we got the No Problem Prime Essence. So this is like a primer, but it's in the form of an essence. And an essence is not as thick as a primer and not as watery as pure water, but it's kind of in between there. This type of formula is actually pretty neat because it absorbs so quickly, and there's no need to like rub and yada yada yada. You just like pat it into your face and then you're done. I love things like this. This says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence infused with calendula flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky, silky smooth. So I actually really like this product, and it retails for $23. Next up, we got the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. This lip gloss is so cute. The shade I got is Peach Tea. This is the packaging. It's like a baby pink, and then this is the lip gloss. Now, how adorable is that? Look at that packaging, so cute. This retails for $17. It says it adds hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight non-sticky balm like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. Got some face masks in here. There was actually 3, but I already used one the other day in the bathtub. And this is a sheet mask by Wonder brand. And it is a berry antioxidant, supposed to help to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for a brighter, even tone complexion. This smelled really good, felt nice on my skin, and the mask actually stayed put on my skin. I hate when you wear those sheet masks and it's constantly falling or something's coming off and it's like, what is this? This one stayed really good on my skin. So these retail for $9 for the trio pack. And lastly, my favorite product out of the whole box It's a Tarte product, okay? I seen that you could get the Pro Glow palette, or there was maybe an eyeshadow palette, and I was worried about getting the eyeshadow palette because I already got one of their eyeshadow palettes before. So I got the Pro Glow palette, and this is not an eyeshadow palette, girl. This is amazing. Amazing, seriously. So it's the Pro Glow 3, it says, and it comes in this sleek, cool black packaging. You open it up, baby, you got a mirror here. You got a mirror here, but look at this. Yesterday, I wore the highlighter on my face during one of my lives, and people said my highlight looks so good. They was asking me what highlight I was wearing, so it was actually the highlight from this palette. So you've got 2 bronzers at the bottom, you've got 2 highlighters here, and 2 blushes here. Look at those blushes. That is my kind of blush, baby. That shade, both of those shades are amazing. Highlighter, amazing. Bronzer, amazing. This right here should make you want to buy 20 of these boxes. I'm not even kidding. So this actually retails for $45, honey. So you pay $21 for the Boxycharm box. This is $45. This right here is $23. So if you think about it, you're paying for one of these and you're getting all of that. So Boxycharm is always amazing, always impressive. I'm so thankful and blessed to receive Boxycharm boxes because they're just so good. They always have full-size products, and all of their products are amazing. Even if there's maybe 1 or 2 in there that you don't really care for that much, I promise you there's gonna be other things in there that you're gonna be crazy about. Okay, so anyways, let's get started on this makeup. My camera is dying, but I'm gonna do a little skincare first, and then maybe I'll charge my battery and then get back to this. So first I'm going to apply my Cashmere Luxurious Skin Toning Oil. This is by Kim Zolciak. She has a skincare line. I am obsessed with Kim Zolciak, and I love her skincare line. But so this is a skin toning oil, and I don't even know if you're supposed to use it on your face, but I started using it on my face and I haven't looked back. You're probably not supposed to use it on your face, but girl, sometimes I'll do what I want to do. It feels so good. Like, I put it on day and night, and when I run out of this, I'm gonna cry because I'm gonna have to repurchase, and it's a little pricey, but it's worth it, so that's okay. Next up, I'm going to use my Just Nutritive Anti-Aging Facial Lotion. Take a little bit, put it on. Oh, I better pull this hair up better because my bangs are fixing to get in the lotion, and I hate that. All right, so next up, we're gonna go in with the No Problem Prime Essence that I got in my Boxycharm. I'm gonna show you the formula. See that? It's like not as thick as a serum, but not as watery as a water, and I better catch it before it falls. Ah! All right, so you just pick it up, pat it on your skin. Essences are amazing. Just kind of pat it all over. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so I'm going to charge my battery for a little bit, and then I'm gonna let this soak in for a few. I'm gonna go chill, and I'll come back and we'll do a little no makeup tutorial. How does that sound? Good. Okay, so I charged my battery to my camera, and now I'm going to start doing my makeup. So I'm gonna start off by using my Gerard Cosmetics BB cream. It is in the shade Bridget. And what I'm gonna do is mix my foundation with this BB cream. I'm going to use my GIS Cosmetics in this shade C3. I'm gonna put a pump or 2. We're gonna mix it together on my hand, just like that. And then I'm just going to dot this all over and blend it in. I like to use a brush and a sponge, and I like to just switch in and out with that. Next, I'm going in with my concealer. This is the Givenchy Couture Everwear Concealer, and I'm just going to put it under my eyes, on my eyelid, my inner corner, on my nose, and a little on some spots that need covering up. Hey, look at me. I look like a ghost. I still need to blend everything though, so chill out. I'm gonna go in with some powder. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Powder, and it's in the shade Warm. So I'm gonna take my little kitten paw print brush here. This is from Morocco's Makeup, and I'm just going to pat that all over. So now we're going to go in with the Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to be picking up this shade here, and I'm going to add some bronzer to my face, girl, because as you can see, I'm looking tasty. I'm just putting it all on my forehead, bringing it down under my cheekbones. I'm gonna drag the extra down to my jawline and my chin and my neck. Gonna blend all of that out with my favorite brush. And then I'm gonna go in with the blush. I love a lot of blush, so if you ever see me looking like a clown and you wanna tell me to tone down my blush, you ain't even gotta tell me. I'm putting a lot on right now because I'm just gonna blend it out, so. I look crazy right now, I look really creepy. So next up, I'm gonna take some of this bronzer and I'm gonna lightly apply it on my eyelid. Kind of like I'm putting on eyeshadow, but I'm not actually gonna put a ton on to where it looks like I put eyeshadow on, girl. I'm applying it and then I'm just gonna blend it out. Next, I'm going to take the highlighter. I'm gonna apply a little on my nose. And this highlighter is like instantly amazing. It's crazy. Love, love, love this palette. It will be my newest addiction, so thank you, Boxycharm. Add a little bit of the extra up above my eyebrows. And now I need to actually do my eyebrows because that is a part of why I'm looking like a creep right now. So I'm gonna be using this Maybelline 24-hour Tattoo Studio. It's pretty cool, comes with a brush. It has an angled brush on one end and a spoolie on the other. Pretty convenient for me. Drugstore item too, so if you're interested, I'm using the shade Blonde and it comes in a jar like this. So I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm also going to exaggerate them a little bit to make it look like I have nice eyebrows, if you know what I mean. But I'm gonna do this off camera because it's a little time consuming. But here you go, this is me before eyebrows. And here I am after eyebrows. Okay, so I'm also gonna go in with this same product, the eyebrow stuff, and I'm gonna use the little angled brush, and I'm going to lightly on the outer corner of my eye, on my top lid, or top lash line, I'm going to create a little liner there. You see, some people can look okay without eye makeup because they just do, right? But I have naturally white eyelashes, so my eyes always look a little naked if I don't have mascara on. I've seen some people just go without mascara and their eyelashes are already dark, so it's like, wow, that looks amazing. But me, I have white eyelashes, you can't even see them without mascara. So I always feel like I need to add just a little bit to my eye or else I look creepy. So I'm also gonna do the same thing on the bottom lash line where I'm just adding it to the outer corner. And I'm using the same product and same brush. I'm gonna blend it a little with my finger to make it not so noticeable. I'm gonna finish off this look with my Slay All Day setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics in the coconut scent. So yeah, I know I look like the Tin Man right now because I'm extra glowy. That BB cream had me glowing. My toning oil got me glowing. The highlighter got me glowing, but girl, that's all right with me. Let's finish off this look with the lip gloss that also came in the Boxycharm box. Ta-da! So I'm officially done with this look. I know it's not the greatest look on earth, but girl, if you wanted to put a little makeup on but you didn't feel like putting a little makeup on, and maybe you needed to go run some errands and you just wanted to feel like you had a little makeup on, then this is the kind of look for you, honey. Okay? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sign up for Boxycharm. It's only $21 a month and it's amazing. Trust me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're already subscribed, then you already know that I love you and I appreciate it. But if you're not subscribed, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you'll always be notified when I upload a new video or when me and my husband go live. See you next time. Bye. Just giving you a quick look without the ring lights. You can see a little more natural lighting.